What's up, my friends? Igor is back on the Lux channel. We're doing this Jetta right now. We're gonna paint this car. We're gonna bundle. I'm gonna show you everything, how I did it. We're gonna do this quarter panel right here. Those two doors, I took them off. And plus the bumper right here. So we're gonna try to make it happen today. And let's get started. Guys, I'm using this primer, high build primer surface. That's the best you can get in a can. So let's see how it came out. Nice. So I primed this everything with that can right there. Just used it maybe half can. So I took the tie off so it will be easier for me. First I did the gray primer, then I did the black one, so I don't use a lot of paint because it matches, it's like dark color. And everything is here. Nice and sharp. So I'm getting that gun ready. And in 45 minutes, it's gonna get painted. And I'll show you. Okay, so I already painted the car 4 times, 4 coats, and that's it. I'm not gonna do it no more. Waiting to dry her out. It's very cold outside, so I have to wait like 30 minutes. Did the bumper, did the quarter panel, did everything inside right here, did the rocker, and it's getting ready to get clear coat 3 times. And did the door right here. I blended in from here, like, you know, like, so it matched the color. Didn't go here because it's gonna be off color. Just halfway, not even, halfway, so you know, guys. And that's it. Gonna get this done. Hey, what's up, guys? Igor is back, Deluxe channel. We got fire going on here. Very cold. I'm gonna show you something what I bought. This is my truck that I use for work. Right there. Ford F-250. And this is what I bought right here. It just came in. Chevy Silverado 2023. Look at this baby. That's, if you want to buy a truck, you have to go for this one. You don't have to choose no more nothing. Only this truck. This truck was flooded. Right here, look. This truck was flooded. It's a little bit dark inside. It doesn't have any lights right now. Batteries are dead. It's okay. This is the truck that I'm gonna fix. I'm gonna replace everything there. All seats, all the motors inside, everything. But the best thing in here in this truck, that it runs and drives. This is a Florida truck. Used to be a storm maybe like 2 months ago, and this truck was flooded. I believe it was bought in Punta Gorda. I believe that the auction over there. And this is the truck right there. This is our house. Look at this. Yeah, that's my GL right there. Flooded too. White one, but it runs and drives. It's okay. We got this fire going on here. We got this wood to keep us warm. This is my brother standing right there. I'm gonna show you everything about the Jetta that I painted. What's up, Dmitry?
What's up, bro?
Can you tell something?
I'm just getting warm in this weather.
I know you are. Look at this cold weather. Can you show me something about the Jetta right there, what we've done?
I don't care about Jetta, I just want to be warm right now.
Ah, you want to be warm right now,
Look
huh?
at this one.
Look at this fire. Ah.
Look at this Christmas tree right here.
Yeah, Christmas tree right here. We got.
Yeah, let's go talk about Jetta. This Jetta, let's see it out. It was like a banana, you know, banana. It was like this side was it. So we had to cut. We had to pull it out first on a frame machine. Then we had to cut it out. Okay, right here. Take this banana thing out. Bought the new piece in my junkyard. Out of mine. And then we had to put it back on, weld it in. Special laser, like a laser measure, so everything matches, like a factory matches. We
So
put
the-
it on, we weld it on, we bonded it, now we painted it. The only problem is we have this
Run.
yeah, clear coat run because it's really cold. Look at
Yeah,
show them,
guys, it's really
show them the weather.
it's really
It's snowing.
it's really
The
cold.
only fire is giving us warmth.
Yeah, and we don't have a paint booth. We're painting in cold, like minus.
Well, no, we have some. Show them this. Yeah.
We got those things that you can
the
get
propane.
for
thing.
paint tanks.
But they didn't help.
They don't help a lot.
So we're gonna do it tomorrow when it's dry. We're gonna sand this down, right? And then probably
Re-clear, I think. Yep.
clear coat, new clear coat. That's gonna be perfect. Okay, somebody gonna have a.
Yeah, so we did this car, guys, and I think in 2 days I'm gonna get you the new video that we're gonna install all 2 doors and everything and buff, and you're gonna see how this car came out. Thank you, Dmitry, for your interview, and guys, see you later. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will be back with you. Thank you so much. Stay warm. Bye bye.